Here we go.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. It's the 7th day, and for the previous 24, 30 hours, we've had a problem with the batten pocket. It hasn't mattered too much because we've had the trysail up. Trysail?
Trysail, yeah.
Trysail. And this has all been filled, but now we can feel that there's going to come a need. We've still got the trysail up and we're still doing 5 knots, but we've got the flying jib and all the gubbins. We've got the best sail we got, so we're now going to repair this with something called the handy stitcher and the handy stitcher 2, which is David. That's the handy stitcher 1, that's the handy stitcher 2, David. So we're gonna stitch it up and then we're going to put it back on. It's still on the boom, we've just took the head out, and so we're going to stitch it. So if you want to be our guest and watch
This is probably a bad idea, letting them watch this.
Yeah, I've already scythed one of my fingers off.
Okay, what we got here is
we've got a sail tie. We're just going to sail tie this back so you can at least see some action of what goes on 600 miles into the Atlantic. You know, just in case you thought I was watering the garden,
sunbathing on the poop deck.
Yeah, getting the eggs and bacon on.
Bacon? Bacon?
Just in case. Anyway, as an aid to Handy Stitcher 1 and Handy Stitcher 2 is cup of tea maker number 3, jug holder.
Heliomatic jug holder.
So
any angle.
We're going to use that. So, here we go.
So,
what do you want me to do?
I'm going to do...
You do the
push. You're going to pull the string.
Yeah.
All the way through.
Okay.
Then I'll push and we'll start the second hole.
Okay. So
we need to make sure your thigh isn't underneath the gap.
Start right up.
Yeah. Shall I go in the previous holes that are already there?
Yeah.
We do. I'm really scared that your legs are...
No, my hands are right out of the way.
But your leg. I'm gonna...
Oh no! Mummy! I didn't want to come on here anyway!
I'll just speed your thigh.
Now you've got to pull it out. Yeah. I've got to get it though, have I?
That's alright, I'll get it.
Well, I don't think you can.
I can.
You can't. You've got to pull it out a bit. No, you've got to pull the needle out.
Yeah, I know.
Can't grab the loop. I can see now.
You can see it, can you?
Yeah.
Alright. Pull the right end. Yeah, that's it. You got it? Yeah. Okay. So.
Turn itself up. Turn itself on.
I just turned it on. I just turned it on. I leaned over and switched it on.
Crafty bugger!
Because look, he's putting...
we're finishing.
Putting wax on the stitches now.
Yeah, although the wax is solid because we're near Greenland.
It's frozen solid here in the Azores below.
It's really,
it's
really soft stuff.
It's ridiculous. You got a lighter there. You could melt it with a lighter.
No, it's... Oh yeah, maybe I could get the fucking lighter working.
You put the wax on so that it's waterproof, the stitching.
That'll be alright.
Apparently that'll be alright. He swore as well, but I'm not going to... Well, I've sworn at the rest of the films. I can swear now. This is the world's bluntest sharp instrument.
What is it?
It's your knife.
Oh.
What is it? Your diving knife.
Right, back on.
The proof of the pudding.
Now, you're going to see in a minute that it's blunt as sharp as not.
there's a bit of a split here at the side, but you're worried about this, we should probably get rid of the split there. We should put a stick.
Yeah.
There we go. Look, it's unraveling the string, which makes it difficult to thread. Biodegradable. You can switch that off now, I think.
See you later.
Bye. So, action.
Hiya.
Hello.
Well, here we are again. So we've repaired the main as best we can.
We found another little batten split as well, so we had to do
another one. So 16 years old, the mainsail, so really it's having its day. So at the moment we've now took the trysail down that we've been with for the last 30 hours.
36 hours. Just turn this way. You got a bogey sticking out here. Doesn't look good on the camera. Yeah. Go on, continue.